Terra's Luna 2.0 price reveals a triple top pattern that can trigger a brutal crash. Terra Luna price is yet again in trouble as a triple top that formed this morning proved to be another failed attempt by bulls to save the altcoin. With a firm rejection in the ASIA PAC session this morning, bears seized the opportunity to go short and drive price action to the downside. Now a test looks set to take place at the low of June 9th and the $2 marker, seeing Luna price shed another 30% of its value. Luna price is no match for market woes. Terra price sees bulls packing their bags after what looked to be a promising recovery turned out to be only an illusion. Just like the FYRE festival, a lot looked promising, but as reality kicks in, it is biting big time. Traders are cutting their positions and triggering a sell-off after the rejection in the early ASIA PAC session, which created a triple top and made Luna price turn the other way. Luna price is, with this turnaround, set to tank another 30% towards $2 and could even drop further if this sentiment continues throughout the week. The penny dropped amongst traders after they realized that one of the biggest central banks in global markets, the ECB, underimpressed massively in its communication to tame inflation. This created a chain reaction that ended in the US dollar rallying aggressively, and its impact rolling through markets and triggering sell-offs in bonds, stocks, and cryptocurrencies, with Luna price already down 20% and thus set to add another 30% of losses on top of that. Luna price dodges all-time low, remains capped by Do Kwon's legal trouble. Luna price has avoided making a new all-time low on Tuesday, as the mid-$2.30 levels have acted as support above the bottom hit last Thursday at $2.10. Luna 2.0, like most of the cryptocurrency markets, has failed to create higher highs, which makes the current consolidation likely only a breather for the bears. The revived Terraform Labs coin has been on a regular downtrend since its price collapsed right after CEO Do Kwon's revival plan was launched on May 29. The immediate resistance for the Luna bulls to beat and create somewhat of a relief rally is located at $2.70, which looks optimistic only considering the legal trouble agenda Kwon and Terraform Labs are facing, the last element of which is a lawsuit. Terra's Luna price is yet succumbing to another crypto sell-off wave on Monday. Luna 2.0 price is trading around $2.40 at the time of this update on the European morning, 9:10 GMT, having fallen below $2.50 for the first time since a brief dip last Thursday. Back then, the Terraform Labs cryptocurrency managed to quickly recover levels close to $3, where it managed to stay for the most part of the weekend despite the huge bloodbath seen on most major cryptos. In the past 24 hours, most cryptos are down between 10% and 20%, but Terra's Luna price had managed to stay somewhat afloat in the same period and even enjoyed a quick 30% spike to $3.40 on Sunday afternoon. Price action has again turned in favor of Terra bears on Monday as another stable coin, Tron's USDD, is under pressure and at risk of depegging from the US dollar. If the Luna 2.0 all-time low $2.15 support is broken, it is difficult to see an actual bottom for Do Kwon's revived cryptocurrency. Following the crash of the Terra ecosystem, controversies surrounding Do Kwon have surfaced. Kwon had cashed out funds consistently from Terra before the collapse of sister tokens LUNC, previously Luna, and UST. Kwon cashed out billions from Terra before its collapse. The depeg of Terra UST, and the collapse of Terra's Luna wiped out billions from the token's market value. Controversies surrounding the crash started emerging, and the SEC discovered that Kwon was cashing out nearly $80 million from Terraform Labs every month before the project's collapse. Kwon allegedly pulled out $2.7 billion from the Terra network before the crash. The allegations against the CEO imply that Kwon siphoned funds off the project, aware that UST could depeg the entire sister token ecosystem of LUNC, previously Luna, and UST could implode. The whistleblower from the Terra Community Forum, Fatman Terra, has made allegations against Kwon, who is facing investigations from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the Seoul Metropolitan Police. Fatman revealed that Kwon pulled $80 million from Terra 33 times, a total of $2.7 billion was siphoned off the project in a few months through Degenbox. How Kwon dumped UST for $2.7 billion. Fatman argues that paper billionaires can find it hard to cash out their holdings, therefore, dumping Luna or UST for USD could trigger a crash. Therefore, Kwon used to burn the mint to convert it to UST, use Abracadabra's Degen box, and loop stablecoin buys. Kwon staked collateral to buy UST, put it in Anchor, used his UST to borrow more UST, and put more in Anchor again. The liquidity increased, and Spell picked up the tab to provide deeper exit liquidity to the UST pair. According to Fatman, several Terra influencers shilled this strategy to their followers, and thousands of retail users flooded Degen box for high yields. While this depleted yield reserve quickly, it threatened Anchor's long-term sustainability, and Kwon didn't care about it. Fatman argues Kwon cashed out $2.7 billion through the MIM UST pool without moving the peg. Kwon drummed up liquidity from retail investors through Degen box and Spell. Terra LUNA price prediction: price is heading below the $1 price level. Terra LUNA 2.0 has continued to be a disaster in the markets. This is after the original Terra LUNA price crashed by 99.99%, resulting in Terra LUNA founder forking another version of Terra LUNA. The original Terra LUNA, which had lost almost all its value, would then be converted and renamed Luna Classic. Since its launch on May 28, 2022, the Terra LUNA 2.0 prices have majorly moved in only one direction, down. Today, the cryptocurrency has lost 85% of its value. Currently trading at $2.60 from its highs of $18 since its launch, the project has continued to cause problems for investors, and with the current trend, the crypto is likely to trade below $1 soon. Despite responding positively to news that Binance was relisting the crypto on their platform, where we saw Luna breaking the $10 after dropping to trade below $6, the strong bearish trend has resumed. On my June 6 Terra LUNA analysis, I highlighted that it was very likely that we would see the prices trading below the $3 price level. In extreme circumstances, I highlighted why Luna 2.0 was likely to move below the $1 price. Today, that projection has not changed much. Terra LUNA co-founder problem. Another reason why Terra LUNA may be losing in the markets is due to its co-founder. Recent reports show that he is under investigation by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, over their failed Luna and UST projects. The reports also indicate that Terra's co-founder and CEO were cashing out $80 million a month before the UST and Luna crash. If these reports are true, such actions may have likely contributed to the collapse of the Luna and UST. The current price drop may also be a result of the latest controversies involving the CEO and Terra LUNA co-founder Do Kwon. Much of what happens to the prices of Luna 2.0 will depend on the current news cycle for the next few trading sessions. However, with problems such as Luna's CEO being investigated by SEC and investors going on a sell-off frenzy, it is likely that we have not seen the end of the Luna price fall. Therefore, my Terra LUNA price prediction expects the prices to trade below the $1. I also expect the current bearish trend to continue with a possible price level 0f below 75 cents in the next few trading session. This is despite today's trading session having a 5% gain in the markets. With that, we've come to the end of the video. Kindly subscribe and click on the bell icon for more interesting daily cryptocurrency predictions. If you find this video helpful and interesting, kindly consider liking and sharing our videos with your friend. If you have any questions or contribution, kindly drop them on the comment section below. Disclaimer. Please keep in mind that this isn't financial advice. We take no responsibility for any loss or damage caused by your actions or inactions as a result of watching any of our videos. You acknowledge that you use the information we provide at your own risk. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.